Good morning, students. Welcome back to 7th class English. We have already discussed the prose, the jackal and the rooster. We have also discussed the short questions and answers given in the text. Now we will discuss comprehension activities. Just 1 minute. Yes. So choose the choose the correct answer. The rooster was the rooster was the rooster was big, handsome, with a crown. So the answer is D, A, B, C. Next, the rooster wanted to make his song what louder, better. Next, louder, clearer, better. So the answer is A. Next, the jackal called the rooster great, handsome, king-like. So the answer is D. All of A, B, C. Next, who chased after the jackal? The owner, the neighbor of the owner, his wife and sons, all of them. Right answer is D. The rooster said to the jackal, his owner was a miser. His owner loved him. His owner never gave him anything to eat. So AD. That means B is right. Okay. Now let's move to the next. Yes. Who said what? किए कौन कहला? So who said what means let's see. We should find out what rooster said and what the jackal said. Yes. Oh my God. Oh, great, handsome, king-like. Who said it? The jackal said. Next, I am happy with you. Who said it? The rooster said. What a great feeling. Who said it? The rooster. Your song will be nice if. Who said it? Jackal. Why don't you tell this to them? Who said it? Jackal said it. So for opening my mouth, I feel really repented. Who said it? Jackal said it. I closed instead of opening my eyes. Who said it? Rooster said it. Next, listen. Yes, here is the an activity. Your teacher will read aloud some words from the list below. Take these words which she reads aloud. So handsome is silent, D is not pronounced. The beautiful, problem, caught, neighbor, behind, instead, will be repented. Next. Your teacher will read aloud paragraph 3 SGP2. Listen to him, hear and fill in the gaps. Yes, just 1 minute. Yes, the owner of the rooster chased days. The owner of the rooster chased behind. Yes, his wife and sons joined him. sons joined him. Also joined his neighbors. But the jackal was much ahead of those running behind. Next chain drill. Chain drill you will practice it with your friends like this. Jackal, I am full. Rooster, I am a fool too. Jackal, I opened my mouth. Rooster, I closed my eyes. Jackal, you told lies. Rooster, you too told lies. Then words with the I, E, O in spelling are generally spoken with a long sound, dirghaswara, taking more time. बहुत समय नौची. Given below are some such words from the lesson. Your teacher will read aloud each word. You will repeat after him or her. So that is rooster, fool, doodle, feel, free, believe, receive, repeat. आम यही टे स्वरटा को लंबे पढ़ा पड़े. आम एमती पढ़ा रोस्टर, फुल, डुडुल, फिल, फ्री, बिलीव, रिसीव, रिपीट. एमती पढ़ानी. आम पढ़ा जे रोस्टर दीर्घ, फुल दीर्घ, डुडुल, फिल, फ्री दीर्घ ही जा, बिलीव दीर्घ, receive, repeat. Okay, next. Yes, in spelling, in English spelling is difficult and tricky. Very Kaushalya. One way of learning spelling is the 4-step method. Look, cover, write, verify. Learn the spelling of the following words from the lesson following the 4-step method. So here are some words: beautiful, handsome, problem, neighbor, belief, instead, repent. We will make sentences using these words now. Okay? The first word is beautiful. Beautiful means sundara. Now let's make a sentence. Who can make a sentence using the word beautiful? Beautiful लगेगी किए गोटे वाक्य करिपारिब. So rose. Rose means गोलाप. Rose is a beautiful flower. गोलाप गोटे सुंदर फूल. Next word is handsome. Handsome means सुंदर. So Rama is a handsome boy. राम गोटे सुंदर बालक. Problem means असुविधा. Life is a problem. Life is full of problem. जीवनटा समस्या बहुल. Or doing some is a problem. गणित करवाटा गोटे समस्या. Next word is neighbor. Neighborship पड़ोसी, पड़िशा घर लोक. So Mr. Khan is our neighbor. Mr. Khan होजने हमर पड़ोसी लोक. Believe means विश्वास करिबा. We should not believe in ghost. Or you can say I don't believe in ghost. Ghost means भूत. I don't believe in ghost means से भूत रे विश्वास करेनी. Instead बदल रे he went to play instead of reading. पढ़िबा बदल रे खेलिया को पड़ेला. Repent means अनुताप करिया. We should repent our mistake. आमर भूलटा को आमे अनुताप करिबा उचित. Next word scrambled. So DRE, that is the right order is RED, red color. some tips are given, some hints are provided in the brackets. One is done for you. GI with jib, make a right word which will mean size. That is big, big. YRT, let's make a word, yes, which will mean, which will begin with T, that means TRY, try, chesta kariya. Here YEE, let's make a right word, and it will be body part, that is I. YAD, opposite of night, that is DAY, day. Similarly, YAS begins with S, that is SAY, say. Next, LOIF, cog can but jackal cannot, that is fly, FLY, fly. Next, begin with EAT, eat. So, next, red. Red is a color. Big, the elephant is a big animal. Next, try. We should try for the best. Next, eye. Eye is a body part. DAY, day. Day is the opposite of night. Next, say begins with S, that is say means kahiba. We say different things. Fly. Cock can fly but jackal cannot. Eat. Eat means khaiba. We eat rice. I'm bhat khau. Next, combine two sentences into one. One is done for you. The rooster is saying it closed its eyes. The rooster is saying closing its eyes. Or we can say closing its eyes, comma, the rooster is saying. The rooster is saying it sat on a tree. The rooster is saying sitting on a tree, or sitting on a tree, comma, the rooster sang. Rakesh took tea. He sat on a chair. So, Rakesh took tea sitting on a chair, or we can say sitting on a chair, comma, Rakesh took tea. Ravi went home. He rode on a bicycle. Ravi went home riding on a bicycle. Or we can say riding on a bicycle, comma, Ravi went home. The cat caught the rat. It climbed up the tree. Yes, the cat caught the rat climbing up the tree. Or we can say climbing up the tree, the cat caught the rat. The jackal ran. It caught the rooster by its neck. The jackal ran, catching the rooster by its neck. Or we can say, ame koi pariba, catching the rooster by its neck, the jackal ran. These sentences can also be written beginning with the second part of the sentence. We have already done it, no need of discussing it again. Okay, we will write them. So, what will we write? Yes, we will write sitting on a tree, comma, the rooster sang. Second, third, sitting on a chair, comma, Rakesh took tea. Fourth, riding on a bicycle, Ravi went home. Fifth, climbing up the tree, the cat caught the rat. Climbing up the tree, the cat caught the rat. Right. Next, catching the rooster by its neck, comma, the jackal ran. Yes, done. Next, What answer to the following questions? Write answers to the following questions. Yes, let's see what are the questions. I will do it just 1 minute. Yes, what is the story about? This what is this? This story is about a rooster and a jackal. Jackal. What did the jackal ask the rooster to do? The jackal asked the rooster to sing, closing his eyes. The rooster sang question number 3. The rooster sang closing his eyes. What did the jackal do? The rooster sang closing his eyes and the jackal suddenly caught the rooster by its neck and ran away. Next question, question number yes. The jackal opened its mouth. What did the rooster do? The jackal opened its mouth and the rooster flew up to a tree. Next, given below is just 1 minute. Given below is what the rooster told another rooster after the incident. Read what it said and fill in the gaps consulting the text. Do you know what happened the other day? I was singing in the morning. A jackal came. He told me to sing closing my eyes. Yes, he told me to sing closing my eyes. I closed my eyes and sang loudly. The jackal caught me by my neck and ran away. My master, his wife, and son, and his neighbors chased the jackal, and the jackal was much chased the jackal. The jackal was much ahead. There was a little chance of catching me, so I thought of a plan. I said the jackal, yes, I am happy with you. Why should they chase? Let them tell them this. He opened his mouth to tell this. I quickly flew up onto the tree. And just 1 minute, next page. Yes. You know what a rooster? You know what a rooster told another rooster about the incident? Incident means ଘଟଣା. Consult ପରାମର୍ଶ କର the text ସହିତ ଟିକେ କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା ଓ ପରାମର୍ଶ କର and write what the jackal said to another jackal after the incident. Okay, do you know what happened with me today? I wanted to catch a rooster. I thought I would fly if I try to catch it. I thought it would fly if I try to catch it, because I have already had such experience with another rooster. So I went to it and said, "Oh, great handsome king like a rooster, your song will be really nice if you sing closing your eyes." It believed me, saying closing its eyes. Then I caught it by its neck and ran away. People were chasing me, but I was much ahead of them. In the meanwhile, the rooster said that its owner was a miser and he never gave it anything to eat. It is said it feels great in my company and asked me to tell this to the people chasing me. So I opened my mouth to tell them to go away. As soon as I did so, the rooster flew up on the tree. Okay, and that is the end of the prose, the jackal and the rooster. We will have the other lessons in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.